Hi there, in this video I will show you how to configure WooCommerce Currency Switcher plugin. PGS Woo API provide WooCommerce Currency Switcher plugin support, for switch currencies on your WooCommerce store application for get their rates converted in the real time. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New. Enter WooCommerce Currency Switcher plugin name here. Click on Install now. Activate the plugin. Now go to the WooCommerce, click on Settings. Click on Currency tab. Now here we can see two currencies, USD and Euro. We can change currency code, currency symbol, currency symbol position, currency rate. We can set default currency. Click on Save Changes. Now let's check on the mobile screen. If plugin for multi-currency is enabled on your store, then you can change currency symbol for your application. Click on Side menu. Click on My Account. Here option for Choose Currency is available. Click on Choose Currency. Select your currency. Now in price of any product in application you will get the selected currency symbol. Go to Home page. All your product is available with the selected price symbol.